Or you can add 1 drop of the cilantro oil from doTERRA to your salsa or guac recipe. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the doTERRA Cilantro Essential Oil. The culinary uses and additional benefits of cilantro have been documented for well over a century. Internal use of cilantro promotes healthy digestion and supports healthy immune and nervous system functions. Applied topically, cilantro is very soothing and cooling to the skin, and it adds a fresh herbal aroma to any essential oil blend when diffused. Cilantro's culinary uses are endless, adding a flavorful twist, hey now, to any dish that you have, including salads, salad dressings, dips, guacamole, or salsas. The top 3 common uses for the doTERRA cilantro essential oil include aromatics, so breathing it in, as well as topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, and internally. The main benefits of cilantro essential oil are that it flavors pico de gallo and guacamole, detoxifies and cleanses your body, and assists with digestion. The directions for use are placing 1 to 2 drops of the cilantro essential oil in a veggie capsule to detox your filtering organs like your liver, your kidneys, your bladder, and your gallbladder. And I like to use the doTERRA veggie caps. And all you do is you just open the cap here, you take one out, and then you take off the cap like so, and then you put the essential oil inside, 1 to 2 drops, and then you're all set. Or you can add 1 drop of the cilantro oil from doTERRA to your salsa or guac recipe in place of cilantro leaves for added flavor and therapeutic health benefits, as well as the value that comes to your body. Or you can add 1 to 2 drops of the cilantro oil with fractionated coconut oil on your stomach area. And then I use the one from doTERRA, and it helps with reducing the chance of irritation from the essential oil, helps the essential oil absorb better into your skin, and then it also helps to cover larger surface areas. Because the essential oils are aromatic compounds, they evaporate really quickly, so the carrier oil or fractionated coconut oil helps with reducing that chance. Alright, well that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.